just a little further. 45 on the clock. We could cruise over here.
Ring's around the corner and we've got 30 seconds. What do you think is over here?
We could cruise over here.
Okay, 10 seconds till ring close. I'm down. Oh, I actually got hit.
Ring's closing and we're all in the danger zone.
Nap time's over. Give me that back. Charging on my shields. Get the ejector seat.
Recharging shield. Second place.
Charging shields.
Bogey here. Bogey in my crosshair.
You are the Apex Champions.